Hello, I see you're interested in learning PERN Stack web development. That is the best decision, I must say. Companies around the world are looking for skilled developers to help them build powerful and scalable web applications. And with PERN, which means PostgreSQL, Express.js, React and Node.js, you'll be equipped with the skill set to build highly scalable websites. This would open doors to remote job opportunities, high freelancing gig, and starting a global career. And guess what? You have come to the right place. The best ICT training institute in Nigeria. Welcome to BizMarrow Technologies. So, what exactly is PERN Stack development? PERN Stack web development is a combination of advanced technologies used to build dynamic and high-performance websites. With PERN Stack skills, you'll be able to create everything from small business websites to high-end enterprise solutions. Now, what are the career opportunities that await you? After learning PERN Stack web development, you can work as a full-stack web developer, a front-end and a back-end web developer, a software engineer, or a remote developer working with international companies. Tech companies in Nigeria, Europe, and the USA are hiring PERN Stack developers, and with the right skill set, you can be one of them. Now, here's what you need to learn to become a pro. Firstly, you need to learn PostgreSQL, which is used to master database design and management. Express.js for building powerful back-end applications. React.js to help you create dynamic and interactive user interfaces. Node.js to help you build fast and scalable web applications. RESTful APIs to help you connect the front end and the back end seamlessly. Authentication and security, where you learn how to protect user data. Build real-world projects. Before the end of this training, you would have applied your skills in building a real-world project using your PERN Stack knowledge. Now, here is why you should choose BizMarrow Technologies. At BizMarrow Technologies, our classes are practical hands-on, which means we don't just teach you theory or practical experiences. A trainer is assigned to you for mentoring and teaching to ensure you get that personalized learning. Our classes are kept small to make sure for effective learning. You build a real-world project before you graduate. Our classes are available both online and physical, meaning you can join from anywhere around the world. We have flexible payments and making quality tech education affordable for you. We make you job ready. Our training covers industry standard tools and technologies that makes you employable right away. Now, here is the best part. You don't need a degree before you apply for this training. Whether you have one or not, as long as you get the right training, you are good to go. Don't wait. Delay is dangerous. The tech industry is booming and opportunities won't wait for you. Take action today. Register with BizMarrow Technologies PERN Stack Training and start your journey today. For more information, you can click the link below to register or visit any of our physical offices in Abuja. See you in class. Bye.